Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Home with Sonja. We all love a beautiful home, but keeping up with the trends can feel like an endless, expensive cycle, right? Well, not anymore. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of 2026 home decor trends, and I'm going to show you exactly how to incorporate them into your home without breaking the bank. Think McGee Co vibes, but with smart, budget friendly strategies. We'll be talking about key styles, most must have colors, and my secret weapon for achieving a high end look on a thrift store budget. So, if you're ready to refresh your space for 2026 and beyond, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what's actually trending in 2026. While high-end designers like Shea McGee lead the way, the core of these trends is surprisingly adaptable. We're seeing a big push towards quiet luxury and elevated comfort. What does that mean, you ask? It's less about flashy logos and more about serene spaces, quality materials that feel good, and a sense of calm sophistication. Think curated, not cluttered. It's about creating a sanctuary. Another big theme is the embrace of nature inspired living. This isn't just about plants, though they're always a good idea. It's about bringing organic shapes, earthy textures, and natural light into our homes. We are also seeing a continuation of individualized expression. Gone are the days of rigid matching sets. Your home should tell you your story, blending different styles and eras in a cohesive way. This is where our budget friendly approach really shines. Now let's talk about color. The 2026 palette is a beautiful shift towards new tradition. It's moody, sophisticated, and incredibly grounded. For our functional walls, we're moving away from these cold, sterile grays, and Sherwin-Williams has named Universal Khaki as their 2026 color of the year. It is the ultimate new neutral. It's warm, versatile khaki that feels like a tailored suit for your walls. Earthy, timeless, and much more inviting than the beiges of the past. On the moodier side of things, Benjamin Moore is leaning into drama with their color of the year silhouette. This is a stunning deep espresso charcoal. It's rich, it's velvety, and it provides that quiet luxury look McGee Co does so well. So you don't have to paint a whole room in this dark shade. Use it for color-drenched powder room or just a thrifted cabinet for a high-end designer feel. Now, for those budget-friendly accent colors to use in your pillows and throws to complement these deep neutrals, we're seeing nature's jewel tones. There's a Narragansett green, a moody blanket, a teal that looks amazing in velvet pillows. Southwest pottery, a soft clay terracotta that adds instant warmth to natural sofa. And first crush, a very soft blush beige that's perfect for a cozy throw blanket. Think about it this way, use universal khaki on the walls for a timeless base, and then bring in silhouette or the green through small, affordable accents, like, for example, a dollar store vase you've spray painted or thrifted velvet cushion. It's all about that high low mix. All right, now for the exciting part, how to get these looks on a budget. We're going to hit some of my favorite budget friendly spots. First up, HomeSense, or TJ Maxx, Marshall's Home Goods in the US. This is a treasure trove of finding those quiet luxury pieces. Look for textured throws, interesting vases, unique accent furniture, and decorative objects. Focus on quality over quantity. One real beautiful ceramic vase is better than three cheap plastic ones. Look for natural materials such as wood, ceramic, linen, cotton. Next, the Mighty Thrift Store. This is where you'll find the true gems for the individualized expression trend. Think vintage art, unique chairs you can reupholster, interesting old books, and even quality dishware. For example, have a vision? Can the lamp be spray painted? Can that old dresser be updated with new hardware? Don't be afraid of a little DIY. And as always, check for quality. Solid wood pieces are always a win. And speaking of turning thrift store finds into designer dupes, if you need specific tutorials on how to do this, make sure to check out my second channel. I have a dedicated DIY channel that is absolutely packed with high-end dupe inspiration. I'll show you exactly how to take these budget finds and make them look like they came straight from a luxury showroom. And finally, the dollar store. Yes, you heard me right. This isn't for everything, but it's amazing for small filler items, DIY bases, and sometimes even seasonal decor. Think outside the box. Those plain glass jars, perfect for creating custom vases with some twine or paint. Simple frames can be upgraded with new art. It's all about potential. So, how do we combine all these budget friendly finds into a cohesive, timeless 2026 look? It's all about thoughtful styling. Start with the earthy neutrals as a base, then add layers of texture, a chunky knit throw, velvet pillows, or and woven baskets. These create depth and that elevated comfort feel. Don't be afraid to put your thrifted vintage mirror next to a new modern lamp from HomeSense. This creates an individualized expression and keeps your home from looking like a catalog. The nature inspired trend means things don't have to be perfectly polished. A slightly distressed wood piece or a hand thrown ceramic mug adds a character. Remember those accent colors? Use them strategically. A single burnt orange throw can instantly warm up a neutral sofa. A pair of sage green curtains can transform a room. And there you have it, your guide to navigating 2026 home decor trends on a budget. It's all about being intentional with your choices, embracing natural elements, and finding beauty in unexpected places. Remember, your home should be a reflection of you. By understanding these trends and using smart shopping strategies, you can create a space that feels both current, curated, and timeless without spending a fortune. What are your favorite budget decor hacks? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to At Home with Sonja for more budget-friendly home inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And make sure you tune in to my winter decorating series that I have started where I'm transitioning my home from Christmas to winter decor.